Let's talk Azure Disk Storage. Azure Disk Storage is a compelling facet of Microsoft Azure's storage offerings, tailored specifically for virtual machine workloads. It provides high-performance, durable block storage services, making it a perfect candidate for applications that require persistent storage. Types: Azure Disk Storage is segmented into several performance tiers to cater to various needs. 1. Standard HDD, best suited for dev/test environments, offering a low-cost option. 2. Standard SSD, enhanced reliability, designed for web servers and low to medium IOPS applications. 3. Premium SSD, for production and performance-sensitive workloads, supporting provisioned IOPS. 4. Ultra Disk, extremely high throughput and low latency, ideal for data-intensive applications like SAP HANA or SQL servers. Features: Managed disks, simplifies disk management, automating many tasks that you would otherwise manage. Data redundancy, Azure ensures 3 copies of your data are maintained. Snapshots, allows point-in-time backup of your disk. Encryption, at rest and in-transit encryption are supported. Azure Backup and Azure Site Recovery, integration for disaster recovery and backup purposes. Capacity: disk size, ranges from a few gigabytes to 64 terabytes. IOPS, depends on the disk type and size, ranging from 500 IOPS to 1,60,000 IOPS for ultra disks. Purpose and usage: virtual machines, primary use case as the disk storage for VM instances. Databases, used for SQL, Oracle, and other database storage needs. Big data, suitable for large-scale data analytics applications. Making use of Azure Disk Storage. 1. Initialization, go to Azure portal, create a VM, and attach managed disks according to your needs. 2. Configuration, select the appropriate disk type, size, and any advanced features you require. 3. Data operations, access the disk as you would any block storage device within your VM. 4. Monitoring, leverage Azure Monitor and alerts for tracking performance and health. In summary, what? Azure Disk Storage provides block storage tailored for virtual machine workloads. Types: comes in standard HDD, standard SSD, premium SSD, and ultra disk options. Features: includes managed disks, data redundancy, snapshots, and encryption features. Capacity: disk sizes from a few GBs to 64 terabytes, with varying IOPS based on disk type. Purpose and usage: used primarily for virtual machines, databases, and big data analytics. Utilization: set up through Azure portal and accessed as block storage in your VMs, with monitoring through Azure services. Thanks for watching.